There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be season refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. Praise is reviving